Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt to create different pictures or flyers for your business. If you are into business, Chatgpt can be used to design your business flyer that you share to your friends, your neighbors, to have more patronage and coverage. You can use it to design your school flyers for advertisement purpose or vacancies. You can use it to advertise. If you are a politician, you can use it for your campaign advert or campaign publicity. If you are a church pastor or a church owner, you can use it for church uses to publicize your church programs and events. You can also use it as a student. If you are a primary school pupil, you can use it for campaign purposes. Maybe you are vying for a post of the post of the head boy, the head girl, the head prefect. You can use it to campaign. If you are in secondary school, you can use it to campaign. If you are in tertiary institution, you can also use it for campaign purposes into different offices. All you need to do is to attach your picture, and then you highlight the different things you will deliver, or you want the reason why you want people to vote for you. You highlight them there, or what you intend doing by the time you assume office. So the app will help you to arrange everything in order and colorful. If you're also in search of a job, you can also use it. You highlight the different offices or posts that you are vying for or you are applying for, and then if you wish to, you can attach your personal picture. If you don't want to add your personal picture, ChatGPT can assist you to put a very nice picture that is neat, mature, and sensible on the flyer, and then you can, in just a summarized way of sending your application to different institutions. Nonetheless, you still need to send the standard application letter and your CV to those institutions. But if they want to see it in a summarized form, then you can use ChatGPT to create this. So quick one, we want to quickly look at how to use ChatGPT to create a business flyer. So I've drafted something here. So I type what I want ChatGPT to do for me. Okay, let's just go through it. So I asked ChatGPT let me make it brighter. I said, design a standard and colorful business flyer for me. The name of the company is Mature Mind Venture and should be on top. So this is what I want the app to do for me. Then it should add buy pure raw honey from us at an affordable rate. Distributors needed nationwide. Then I also asked the app to add the logo of WhatsApp to this number for those who want to make purchases. So you add your own WhatsApp number to that. Okay. You can start with +234, or you can just put your number directly based on the country where you are operating from. All right. So you see that you put the country code or you omit it, so people will reach out to you. Then say place your order now as we deliver at your doorstep. Then I say benefit of honey. I listed 10 benefits of honey here. So all I need to do is please ensure that when you are typing the benefit or whatever you want to appear on your flyer, ensure you read it 2 or 3 times to correct some mistakes. Okay, when I was practicing this, I made some mistake. So it's whatever you put on the whatever you ask the ChatGPT to do for you is exactly what the app will do for you. At times, it may not correct the typo or typographical errors for you. So you need to go through it very well. So all you need to do is to long press this, click on the 3 dots on the right top corner, click on copy. Then take this to ChatGPT, click on ChatGPT. Now, before now, I was able to create this using ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT, pure raw honey in a white bottle container with a cover. So this was what the app brought for me. and then I click on this down arrow, okay, on top here, to download the picture on my phone. Okay, you can see image saved. Then you can now let me show you the second one that was generated, because I noticed that this cover is not too good for the business. So I reconstructed the English to ensure that the honey is now in a transparent container, okay, in a white transparent container. So this is more meaningful and better than the first one. The other one look like container of drugs. So this one is better. You can see, okay, you can see the honey in the container is transparent. Then you can click on the arrow on top to download the picture. So once you download it, automatically it will be saved on your phone gallery. So how do I add the picture of this honey and the write-up together? If you are a student, how do you add your own picture and the write-up that you have done? All you need to do is to come to the downside, the down left side, click on the plus sign. It said camera. Do you want to snap a new picture? You click on camera and then you snap your picture. That's the picture you want to use. If you have existing picture, you click on photo. If you have a file you want to attach, you click on the file, and then you have plugin. So I'll click on files so that I can attach the picture that I have already downloaded. So from the gallery, from the picture I have downloaded, you can click on the picture that you want to use, then attach. Okay, then you now click read reply to Chatgpt. So once you click reply to Chatgpt, you allow that picture to load because I've already loaded it. So you see something rolling on top of the picture. So once it has finished loading, then your blue icon here will now be ready. If the picture did not load, the blue icon here will not, the arrow pointing up will not load for you. All right, so after that, then you can now type or paste what you have copied here. Okay, you paste it. Okay, all what you have copied concerning your business and all that, you paste it. Then you click on the blue arrow and then you allow it to load. You need to be patient. Okay, it could take few seconds or minutes depending on the information given to the app to design for you. So while you wait, you can be doing other things, okay? And then you come back to check your app and you discover that your design would have been ready for you to download and start sharing to your friends and associates and to different people, different groups to expand your businesses. So this is how it is being done. So if you are into any business, you can use your direct picture, or you can use pictures from online, or if you don't have any picture, ChatGPT will create a picture for you. So if you are into if you are a barber, so the ChatGPT will extract pictures from you from online. We design something for you that has to do with barbing. If you are into hairdressing business, it will design something for you in that regard. If you are into the religious sector, if you are into the church ministry, it will design something in line with, to give you pictures in line with that. So if you're into school business, it will give you a building of a school, well designed, well crafted, beautifully designed for your flyer. So you have nothing to worry about. But if you want the image of your school to be there, you might have gotten the image already on your phone gallery or app, your phone gallery, okay, or your iPad. All right. So at the end of the day, if it's your own direct image or picture you want to use, make sure it's already on the phone gallery. So just follow the process, okay, by clicking the plus sign to bring in the picture, allow the picture to load, and then you paste what you have typed. Always type what you want to do before bringing it here to avoid error. So wow, the final image is ready. You click on it. So this is what ChatGPT created for me. All right, so as you can see, it's very colorful. So what do we notice here? You can see the name of the company is well crafted and beautifully designed. And you can see I gave ChatGPT only a bottle of honey, transparent bottle of honey, but look at it. It added the honeycomb by the side, and then the stick of honey by the side. You can see well crafted. Then the benefit of honey, it wrote it out for me in capitals. I typed it in small letters. All right, so it helped me to design it well. You can see the image of picture of an honey on the top here. All right, you can see the as if honey is leaking from the top here. Then the downside here, you can see the well crafted image of honeycomb and the stick. Well crafted, well designed, beautifully designed. You can see the phone numbers and everything here. So say Mature Mind Ventures, Pure Natural LD. Okay, buy pure raw honey from us at an affordable rate. Distributors needed nationwide. Then your phone number is there. Place your order now as we deliver at your doorstep. Then the benefit of honey I highlighted to the app were well listed. You can see boost energy. It gave us the picture of energy on top. Then strengthens the immune system. You can see it gave us a different picture to depict the benefits. Look at number 4. Strengthens support digestive health. You can see the image of a digestive system, that red one there. So ChatGPT has made things very easy for us. All right, so just make sure your prompts are okay, your prompts are correct, well arranged. Then you ask ChatGPT to help you to arrange it in the standard better way. Then add the word colorful. So once you put the word colorful, it will design your flyer in different colors. But if you not add the word colorful, ChatGPT will only use maybe 1 or 2 colors for it, maybe white and blue, and that's all. Okay, but if you add the word colorful, standard, then the ChatGPT or the app will help you to what? It's just like giving the app command of what to do. It is what you put in, what you command the app to do for you is what the app will deliver for you. So you need to make sure your prompts are correct and standard. So after this has been done, you can now download your final picture by clicking on the download arrow on top that's pointing down. You can see it's rolling now. Then be patient and allow it to download on your phone. And once it has been downloaded, it will show, I'll give you a sign that your image has been downloaded. So you can see now image saved. Okay, so the image has now been saved on what? On the phone gallery. So let's go and check to confirm that. So I'll click on my image gallery and go and check what has been downloaded. Okay, so let's check our final work. So this is our final work. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is. From here, you can now start sharing to your friends. You click on it and then you click on the your share button. So you can share with different applications through your email, your Canva, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Twitter, Facebook, and the like. So this is how it really works. So ensure you learn and practice this, and then before you go, kindly share, like, comment, follow me, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and bye for now.